In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to connect LeadPages with WordPress step by step. If you're looking to streamline your landing pages or increase conversions, you're in the right place. Stick around to the end because I'm not just showing you how to set up LeadPages with WordPress. I've got an exclusive free trial and some better alternatives to help you level up your game. Let's dive straight into it. First, you'll need to have both LeadPages and WordPress accounts set up. If you're new to LeadPages, don't worry, I'll walk you through what you need. The first thing you want to do is install the LeadPages WordPress plugin. To do this, go to your WordPress dashboard, click on Plugins, and then Add New. Search for LeadPages and click Install Now. Once it's installed, activate the plugin to connect it to your account. Next, you'll need to log into LeadPages. You can do that by heading over to the LeadPages dashboard and copying your API key. This key is crucial for the connection between LeadPages and WordPress, so make sure you don't skip this step. Once you've got that, go back to WordPress and paste the API key into the plugin settings. This should immediately sync your LeadPages account with WordPress. Now that everything is connected, it's time to create a landing page. You can do this directly from WordPress or from within LeadPages itself. In the WordPress dashboard, you'll see the option to create a new page. Select LeadPages as your page builder. From there, choose from a variety of pre-designed templates or create one from scratch. The next thing you want to do is customize your page. LeadPages offers drag and drop functionality, so you can easily add elements like headlines, images, videos, and opt-in forms. After that, make sure to save your page and publish it. Once your landing page is published, it's time to track the results. LeadPages has built-in analytics that allows you to monitor how your landing page is performing. You can also A/B test different versions of your page to see which one converts better. Keep an eye on these stats as they can help you fine-tune your landing pages over time. Here's the thing, while LeadPages offers great features, some users find it limiting in terms of design flexibility. And while it integrates well with WordPress, there are other tools out there that might offer a better user experience, especially if you want more control over your designs. LeadPages can get the job done, but it's not always the most intuitive for beginners or advanced users looking for full customization. Next up, I want to mention an alternative, one that I think might be a better fit for those looking to elevate their landing page game. I'm talking about Competitor Software Name, which offers seamless WordPress integration, greater design freedom, and is actually easier to use in many ways. Plus, if you sign up through our link, you'll get an exclusive and extended free trial, along with some extra bonuses that aren't available anywhere else. To wrap up, while LeadPages is a solid option for those looking to get a simple landing page connected to WordPress quickly, it might not be the best fit if you want more control or are looking for more design flexibility. If you're looking for something that gives you more freedom and fits your long-term goals better, make sure to check out the competitor I mentioned earlier. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. So, now you have the full picture on how to connect LeadPages with WordPress and why you might want to explore some other options. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out those alternatives, links in the description.